Here we are live on Long Island in nature, where we should always be, or try to find time to get to. Go with a good friend if you don't want to go alone. And just take in all that fresh prana, because it is wonderful having your senses heightened and just feeling the vibe. This is where you can find God. Maya, Jia, where everyone can find themselves and who they really are, a spirit living a human experience. Nature walks are awesome. Hi, how you doing? Have a nice day. Thank you. Right, Tyler? Nature walks are awesome?
Oh yeah, they're awesome. Beautiful outside.
It's so nice. Huge nature fan. Nature's amazing. Honestly, I wouldn't be who I am if I didn't come out in nature. Watching the birds, especially birds. I've always wanted to fly. I'm sure there's a lot of people out there that's always wanted to fly. You know. But like I was saying before, once a week at least. And it sucks, you know, people in smaller middle class areas, they don't have things like this in projects and cities. Not enough cities have things like this. Have to. We shouldn't destroy the trees. We should work with them. Vibe with nature, not work against it. This planet is amazing. A lot of wonders, but it's been around a lot longer than we have. I mean, our written history is only about 100,000 years old or something like that. Don't quote the numbers, but we would be too small-minded to think that this planet is I don't know, there's just some beautiful things. Barefoot, yes. Standing, grounding, earthing yourself. That is an amazing thing to do. Do it all the time. Like if I'm raking my lawn, especially in the fall time, like I would always ground myself. Gotta get that earth energy. It's my friend Tyler.
Come nature.
It does clean the body. It really does. It is beautiful today. How you doing? How many people have heard trees talk to them? I know that sounds weird, but it's okay. I don't mind being vulnerable. Just gotta stand and be still sometimes. Just take it all in. Hi.
I'm thinking, just be careful.
Oh yeah, will. Thank you. Thank you. Finding a nice spot too to meditate once in a while and just palms open, just taking, just focusing on breath. Singularity. Gotta go in on singularity. Yes, this is very true. Thank you for that information, by the way. Valid content. Valid. I love trees. Definitely sometimes when I have fires with my friend Eric, they definitely start talking. They definitely do. It's on a different vibration. It's not like human language. The human language is very complex, as is. It's more in sound and frequency, vibration, energy. So beautiful. Not gonna lie, been on many nature walks, but never really seen a horse before. So that's pretty cool. Got all excited, I'm not gonna lie to you. It's pretty cool to see horses. They're pretty big. You don't see them a lot on Long Island here. It's very rare. Like gems. Big into crystals. Yeah. Crystal Clear Universe on Instagram. Look us up. Big into spirituality, yoga, meditation. You know, taking life in a different direction. Understanding that you have to be humble. Understanding that you gotta put the ego aside and the greed. And learn to love. Loving is amazing. This all is created by love. It's all love creation. And it's beautiful. I stand in love, embody love. Really? Oh, wow. The sun is amazing. You know, the physical sun, the spiritual, and the ether. Gotta love the sun, Father Sun, Mother Earth. Have to. Thank you for following me. I appreciate it. Never done something like this before, but I like this app. This is pretty cool. And thank you for all those that have been engaging in a conscious thought with me. Yeah. Wow.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Good. Beautiful day, huh?
It is such a beautiful day.
God. Love it.
Wow. Enjoy it.
You too.
Thank you. It's a great day to be alive in 2016, right? You know, I'm not going to televise anything bad to you. There's no need for it. We're all people, and subconsciously we all just want to be loved. You know, we all want to find out who we are. And I am Sab. Can you say that, Mr.? Oh. Yeah, say it again. It's beautiful. You guys are beautiful. Every single one of you. I don't need to know you to know that you're beautiful. You're God-given. There's a reason why you're here, or else you wouldn't be here. And this is just the fact. And the fact that you're here, be beautiful. Be beautiful. Do all of it. Do all of what is it you want to do, you know? Why not? You only got one life to live. And I don't mean YOLO and doing some crazy ass shit that's gonna threaten your life. I'm just saying, like, you know, have fun. Do it with a good tribe. You know? Good people. Manipulating reality is intense. We've all been doing it throughout our life. Subconsciously, you know, we just have to learn how to do it consciously, which is very true. But you could just sit back and sit in cruise control, to be honest. Sit back and just enjoy. It's beautiful. Let the moment be the moment. You don't have to think of nothing else. I don't think of anything else. I just thought it was about time to be vulnerable and share the world through my eyes. As everyone else is perceiving it with a different perception. We're individuals living in a collective world. And I'm just one individual. No different than you. Don't look at my skin. Look at my spirit and my energy. You know, and what is it I'm trying to send to you? It's beautiful. You guys are beautiful. Keep the energy alive. Everything is energy. Exactly. I would keep this going, but my phone's about to die. I love you guys. Be well.